In a major boost to Meghalaya TMC in the Khasi Hills, a block-level meeting was held today, the 8th of December 2022 at Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills, affirming the growing strength of the party in the state. The event saw a turnover of over 5,000 people present to strengthen the party's cause. Those present during the event included Meghalaya TMC State President Charles Pyngrope, leader of the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Legislature Party and of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Dr. Mukul Sangma, the TMC State Vice President George B. Lyngdoh, Meghalaya TMC State Vice President James Lyngdoh, and Meghalaya TMC Block President Macmillan Kharbani. Widening the party's base, Charles Pyngrope and Dr. Mukul Sangma also inaugurated a party office at Nongstoin. Dr. Mukul Sangma, while addressing the gathering, spoke with conviction that the Meghalaya TMC is the only party to take BJP head-on in the state, adding that the party has a sense of commitment and a responsibility to fulfill. Sangma said that the Trinamool Congress will continue to fight against the agenda of the BJP.
I am not surprised by the kind of political narratives that is being generated by the political parties who are collectively in the government or running the government. We are seeing political parties, the BJP, pointing fingers at NPP for alleged irregularities and alleged corruptions. We also see allegation of similar nature coming from different political parties and pointed at NPP and other parties. The whole narrative revolves around alleged irregularities, alleged corruption. As I say, the power is with the people. How do we use this power to protect our interests and defend our interests and defend the interests of our Jaipuр youth? Please tell us, since we all are seeing what is happening across the nation, who is fighting against this powerful and might of the BJP? All other political parties have stopped or decided to stop fighting against BJP's agenda to protect the interests of our Jaipuр youth, to protect the interests of our people's culture, way of life. We saw a powerful conviction in Trinamool Congress to continue fighting against the agendas of BJP.